Hello everyone and welcome to your 14th Adobe Photoshop tutorial, making a selection part 4. Now in this last part of making a selection, we will learn to use the pen tool basically to make a selection. Pen tool is rather a very powerful tool and it helps us to make very precise selections. For example, if I want to select only this flower over here, if I try to use my lasso tool, that is obviously won't be possible because my mouse moves a lot. Selection won't be proper. If we try to use elliptical marquee tool, then also selection won't be proper. There is a lot of garbage other than the flower. If we try to use magic wand tool, since all of the flowers are having the same colors, just the flower won't get selected properly. If we use quick selection tool, then also it is not entirely proper. Although quick selection tool can do the job, but it won't be very precise. As you can see, some of the area will be left. In order to do these kinds of complicated selections, you can use the pen tool. Select the pen tool from over here and then we can start working on it. Use the pen tool, left click anywhere, start it. That is the starting point. You make a selection, come back to the starting point, and then that area will be selected. Click on anywhere else once, and as soon as you click, don't leave your left mouse button. Click and hold, and then you can drag your mouse as you like to create curved selections. As you can see, this is being curved. Make the selection as precise as you want. Go over here and that's it. Now these holes over here that you see are the roto bezier. The roto bezier basically control what curvature the path will take. For here we have roto bezier from this point to this point. What if you don't want the roto bezier here? Because of the roto bezier over here, for example, we want to select here, the curve will first go upwards because of this roto bezier and then it will come downwards. What if there is a sharp turn over here and we want it to directly come over here? What we can do is press Alt, and while pressing Alt, left click on the point, and then the unused roto bezier will disappear. You can left click and then it will directly come over here. Otherwise it was not directly coming. You can hit delete to delete the selected, and then you can go on and make as precise selections as you want. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.